I'm Turner Williams, and this is my 2022 Canfield Jedi 29. Up front here, we have the Manitou Dorado Pro fork. It's the fully carbon version. It's an inverted fork. Down here, we're rocking with the E13 LG1 Plus wheel set. In the front, I'm rocking a Maxxis Minion DHF in size 2.5. And in the rear, we've got a Maxxis Askai. Back here, we've got an EXT Arma V3 shock with a C75 by 450 coil. This coil basically weighs out on their website for a 200-pound dude, and I obviously don't weigh 200 pounds. Down here, we're rocking the Canfield cranks with a SRAM Eagle 32-tooth chainring. This basically just gives me a little bit better low-end torque off the start. So this is my 2022 Canfield Jedi 29. See you out there, bootleg.